Okay, dear children, today we will start lesson 13, amines. Amines are organic compounds, we all know. They are organic compounds. In the amines, if you say they are derivatives of ammonia. So, the ammonia is NH3, right? In ammonia, if hydrogen atoms, one atom, two atom or all the three atoms, one atom, two atom or all the three atoms are substituted or replaced by alkyl group or aryl group, then they form the amine. Correct? Like if I write here, one example I am showing you, NH3 is ammonia. Correct? If I write here NH2 and I put a group here CH3. So you see one hydrogen is substituted by CH3. So the compound is methylamine. Okay. So in this way, either one hydrogen atom, two hydrogen atom or all the three hydrogen atoms are substituted by alkyl group or aryl group. Then it is known as amine. What are the natural sources of amine? They occur in proteins, vitamins, alkaloids and hormones. What are the synthetic amines? Polymers, dyestuff and drugs. They contain the amines. Two biologically active compounds, like the name is adrenaline, you must have heard about adrenaline, and ephedrine. Okay, they contain secondary amine group. Which type of amine group? Secondary amine group. वेयर हैव वी हर्ड एड्रेनालिन? तुमने देखा होगा कभी रोड वगैरह पे स्टूडेंट्स और कोई भी फाइटिंग कर रहे हैं तो ऐसा कहते हैं उसका एड्रेनालिन लेवल बहुत हाई है. इट इज़ एन हार्मोन. ओके, एंड दीज टू अमाइंस, दैट इज एड्रेनालिन और एफेड्रीन, they are used to increase the blood pressure. Then one more compound is there, that is synthetic compound, that is novocaine. It is used as anesthetic in dentistry. Dentistry यानी dental diseases or anything. Synthetic compound है, याद रखना. Then comes Benadryl. You must have heard about the cough syrup Benadryl. It is antihistamine. It also contains 3-degree amine. Quaternary ammonium salts are used as surfactants. Diazonium salts are used in the preparation of different aromatic compounds. Children, why we are reading like this? Because these questions are important for MCQ type of question. So every example we have to remember. Correct? Now we will go for, you see, if I am writing here NH3, okay, so I will show you how one hydrogen atom is replaced or substituted. So if I write here CH3, CH2, NH2, and you see this is ammonia, N, H, H and H. So if one hydrogen is replaced by C2H5, okay, so this will be another compound. This is known as ethanamine. Similarly, if I write here C6H5NH2. What is C6H5NH2 beta? This is C6. Put here NH2. So this will be NH2. Okay, one hydrogen is replaced by this phenyl group. So this is known as, this compound is known as aniline or benzenamine. Aniline or benzenamine. Correct? Similarly, if two hydrogen, right now I have shown you one hydrogen atom is substituted. Now if two hydrogen atoms are substituted, so we can write a compound like CH3, N. अब two hydrogen atom हटा दो तो NH only will be left, and this side also CH3. So this will be methane. Now both the sides are having methane group, methyl group. So what will be the name of the compound? N-methyl methanamine. It will be written as N-methyl methanamine. I will show you while writing the nomenclature. If one more hydrogen atom is substituted, then what could be the structure? N only is there. All the three hydrogen atoms are now substituted by CH3, CH3 and CH3. So this is the possibility of substituting all the hydrogen atoms or 2 hydrogen atoms or 1 hydrogen atom to form the amine. Now structure of amines. So nitrogen atom is trivalent, okay, and has an unshared pair of electron in amines. Nitrogen atom is sp3 hybridized. So कितने ऑर्बिटल बनेंगे? 4 ऑर्बिटल्स आर फॉर्म्ड एंड द ज्योमेट्री ऑफ अमाइन इज पिरामिडल. बेटा ये आपको एमसीक्यू के लिए याद रखना है. नाइट्रोजन इज sp3 hybridized and geometry of amines is pyramidal. So now let us see the structure of 4 orbitals of amines. So if there are 4 orbitals, so one will having the unshared pair of electron. So let me show you. If these all orbitals will overlap with either hydrogen or any alkyl or aryl group. So if or means carbon, so CH3, like here also I write CH3, here also I write CH3, correct? And this has unshared electron pair. Unshared electron pair. Fine. And due to this unshared electron pair, the angle is 108 degree. And it is less than, you can remember, it is less than 109.5 degree. It should have 109.5 degree, but now it is 108 degree because of presence of this unshared electron pair which is present in the 4th orbital. Correct? Now let us come for classification. In classification we will read about primary amines, secondary amines, tertiary amines. Okay, so this is known as 1 degree amine, 2 degree amine, 3 degree amine. Fine. Let me show you. This is ammonia NH3. If I am writing here ammonia, now you must have understood that one hydrogen will be replaced. So if it forms RNH3, so it will be 1 degree amine. NH2, RNH2, one hydrogen is substituted. Then if it forms two hydrogen atoms are replaced, only NH will be left, so NH. Then what will be there? 1R and 2R. Okay, R and R can be same or they could be different also. So this is 1 degree amine, this is 2 degree amine, and if it is written as N, single N is there, all the 3 hydrogen atoms are now substituted. So R, suppose karo here R dash, or suppose karo here also R dash. So this is all the 3 hydrogen atoms are substituted. So this is known as 3 degree amine. Clear? Now nomenclature. So when we do the nomenclature, simply याद रखना है कि secondary amine में we have to put N, where secondary amine means NH. So wherever you see NH, you understand that it is a secondary amine or 2 degree amine. Then N should be there. Capital N we will write. And when all the 3 hydrogen atoms are replaced, then we will write N comma N. You see, we are writing the examples. First compound, if I write here CH3, CH2, NH2. Here only IUPAC name I will show you. So you see ethane group attached the ethyl group and R is ethyl. So we will write the IUPAC name. It is ethanamine. Ethane. Now E will be removed. Okay, so ethanamine. Second one we will write, that is propane. Like 3 carbon atoms are there. So CH3, CH2, CH2, NH2. So obviously you can name it. 3 hai to propyl. So it will be named as propane. But on what position amine is there? First position. So propane 1 amine. Clear? If it is same way, if it is written as CH3, CH2, suppose करो यहीं पे लगा दो एक amine, NH2, and this side again CH2, CH3. So what will be the name of the compound? 1, 2, 3, 4 carbon atoms are there. So butyl group is there. So we will write here 2 ब्यूटेन तो है लेकिन कैसा अमाइन है? ब्यूटेन 2 अमाइन. इट विल बी रिटन एज ब्यूटेन 2 amine. In this way we can write all the names. Now if I show you, if I write here CH3NH, now you see 2 hydrogen atoms are substituted, NH, and it is written as CH2CH3. Then the name of the compound will be bigger one, that will be the parent compound. So it will be named as N-methyl ethanamine. N, I said you in secondary amine we will have to mention N, capital N. So N-methyl ethanamine. Ethanamine. Clear? Next compound we can take CH3. Only single N is there. Okay, CH3, and this side also CH3. So you see all the 3 hydrogen atoms are substituted with this methyl group. Then the name of the compound will be, common name तो trimethylamine तुमको दिख ही रहा है, but the name IUPAC name will be, in case of 3 degree we will write N, N dimethyl. You see N, N dimethyl methanamine. Dimethyl methanamine. ठीक है बेटा. Similarly, if I write here one allylic compound, let me show you. So if I write here NH2 CH2 CH double bond CH2. Now why it is allylic compound? Again I repeat, the functional group containing carbon atom is attached to sp2 hybridized carbon which is further having the double bond. Correct? So ये एक allylic compound है, याद रखना, allylic. What will be the name of the compound? This will be carbon number 1. Why carbon number 1? Because functional group is attached here. This will be carbon number 2 and this will be carbon number 3. So we can easily see that 3 carbon atoms are here, and so prop, root word should be prop. Prop में कौन से भी डबल बॉन्ड है बेटा? So prop 3 in. ठीक है? So we will write here 1 2, sorry, prop 2 in 1 amine. Simply we will write prop 1 2. Second carbon is having 2 in 1 amine. Now when we see here E suffix is there and here A, so we will cut this E. The name will be prop 2 in 1 amine. Vowel we will not put together. Clear? Next compound we can say that, let me show you one compound that is bigger one, that is NH2. Then I will write here CH2 whole 6 NH2. So you can say that it is a diamine. So how many carbon atoms can you see here beta? 6. Simply we will write hexane 1, 6 both the sides. So एक side से 1 और एक side से 6, any side 1, 6. But कैसा amine? It is diamine. Diamine. Mind it, here we will not remove E because D letter is there. So we will not remove E. So the name will be hexane 1,6-diamine. Now in the next lecture, I will tell you how to write another compounds of amine.